People are not watching KRQE News this morning and getting meteorologist Cassandra Crimmy's forecast, because you said there was a really good chance of the storms yesterday.
Yeah, you know, and we got it. Good thing, because we need the rainfall here in the metro area, really statewide. Out the door this morning, still tracking the clouds. Most of the rain we had through the overnight has started to fizzle out, and we've got the dry skies. The temperatures, they are comfortable, 60s and 70s. A few 50s and one lone 40 up in Alamosa. It is 48 degrees outside right now. Winds pretty much on the calm side, about 5 to 10 miles an hour in most locations. Clayton, though, a little bit stronger. Even Silver City winds at about 12 miles an hour. And if we talk about the winds through the day today, we are going to see some breezier skies in our eastern plains and some drier conditions. The rain that we are going to be watching for is going to be in our high elevations and into our western locations for today. That's where we have kind of the more favorable conditions for the storms and the showers to develop today. So Super Storm Track, it actually depicts just that. See where we have this bullseye right now over the northern mountains later this afternoon, also parts of southern Colorado and the mountains and our western locations today. That's where we'll have the best chance, but a few isolated showers and storms could linger outside and push into the valley, could even get you down into Albuquerque. So we will keep the chance for spot storms in the forecast today, but we'll actually have an increased chance of rain and storms the next couple of days. So some good news there. But as we talk about the winds, I had mentioned that most of the state not dealing too much with breezy skies, but as we do take you into the plains, you can see the shade of blue right over the eastern locations. That's 15 to 25 mile an hour sustained winds out of the south and west later this afternoon. But taking you through the day, planning ahead. Again, the first half of the day is the best time to get any of that outdoor work done. We'll have the 70s and the 80s with mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. But as we get you closer towards dinner time, you'll start to see the skies darken up a little bit, and we will have a few isolated storms in the vicinity. Could even see some of that wet weather creep into parts of Albuquerque, but again, up towards Santa Fe, Espanola, White Rock, Taos, a much better chance for some of the storm activity. And then as we get you into our western locations as well, Gallup, Grants, and down towards Silver City and Deming for today. But temperature-wise, 80s and 90s. Spot showers and storms possible for us today. And again, you can see it really favoring the western side of this high. We take you into your Friday. That rain chance skirts a little bit further towards the east, so we'll have a little bit more widespread chance at showers and storms as we get you closer towards the weekend. But here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Southern Colorado today, low 80s and mountain storms possible. That rain chance repeats tomorrow. Into the north and west, a few storms will be possible, especially at high elevations, and we'll see the chance for rain and storms continuing the next couple of days. Into the south and west, 80s and 90s for us. We'll get to 94 in Las Cruces, 95 in Alamogordo, with scattered showers and storms possible. Into the south and east, mainly dry with partly cloudy and warm skies, highs in the 80s and 90s. Could see a spot storm, and we're going to favor that chance closer towards the Guadalupe Mountains, so closer towards Ruidoso, a chance for isolated storms. In the northeast, mid-80s, some 70s and more, a high today of 78 with partly cloudy skies, scattered showers and storms possible, and a much better chance into our northern mountains. Los Alamos, Chama, Espanola, Taos, all a good chance for afternoon showers and storms with temperatures in the 70s and 80s. Into the east mountains today, mid and upper 80s with evening showers and storms possible. Then into the metro area, we'll have a few 90s, low 90s, 92 in the South Valley, 93 in Los Lunas, with partly cloudy skies, actually building clouds, and the chance for isolated storms. But the next couple of days, the chance for isolated storms actually increases. Friday and Saturday, I think we'll get a little bit more moisture moving in. So we've kind of been on that trend of on and off. The spot storms kind of just bounce around to different locations, which is good because Albuquerque is not the only spot that needs the rain. The entire state really needs it. So everybody's kind of getting their fair share of some rainfall, which is good.
That's what's good, is that it's the fair share, because if you get too much, we get the really bad flash flooding. We still got some burn scars from fires a couple years ago. Plus, you know, when you sleep and the rain hits, it's very relaxing.